Machine frame. Step 1. CZ'd purlin roll-forming machine frame made from H450 type steel by welding, planned on surface to guarantee precision. Machine parts. Step 2. Machine parts are all galvanized or blackened to ensure a service life of more than 15 years. Plate wall. Step 3. Sidewall, thickness of CZ purlin. Forming machine is 45 mm. The structure is more stronger, so that machine life machine is much longer. Rollers and shafts. Step 4. All rollers are made from car 12 move. Hardness, 5860 HRC. CNC machines can improve rollers' precision. Chromate finish on surface to add hardness of rollers. Step 5. Solid shafts, dia, 82 or 90 mm for different material thickness. All shafts are tooled twice by cylindrical grinding machine to ensure final precision.